I want to show you a quick way to add interactivity to a slide that takes almost no effort. So on the slide in front of you, I've got three images. Image of cat and two images of cat food that support the slide. And the main thrust of this slide is about cats and feeding them and all that. But I want my learner to be able to engage with those two images of cat food. And if they do, the image is going to get bigger. Now let me show you what the slide looks like before I've added the zoom images. So I'll preview the slide. And there's the slide as I expected. Large photo of a cat and two smaller images of cat food. If I click on the two images, nothing happens. I'm going to close the preview. I'll select the first image of cat food. And on the Picture Tools tab, Format, I'm going to click Zoom Picture. And you'll notice that the image now has a magnifying glass. I'll preview. I'll click the image of the cat food, and it gets bigger. I'll click it again. It zooms out. I'll close the preview. And I'll do this again for the next image. Click on the image, Picture Tools Format, Zoom Picture, Preview. Both images now are interactive. Go ahead and give this feature a try and let me know what you think. I think it's a great way to add quick interactivity, and like I said, very little effort.